Hello, I'm Hiroshi Kuniyoshi, Executive Director of NEDO. NEDO stands for New Energy and Industrial Technology Development Organization of Japan. NEDO is a semi-governmental organization for research and development and demonstration of energy and environment-related technologies. We are deploying a lot of projects all over the world. Let me introduce one of the projects in the Middle East. These are the examples of NEDO's projects in the Middle East. This is being carried out in UAE, Ras Al Khaimah. And this is the decentralized sewage recycling in water shortage areas. We use sewage water by membrane and bioreactor treatment and using that water for the watering the area or reusing in the industry. NEDO conducts a lot of projects, including water treatment, solar energy, wind energy, and hydrogen, using hydrogen, and a lot of different types. In the world, we use a lot of different types of solar cells. And we still further develop the new types of solar cells. These are the examples of the solar cells that NEDO develops. This is the dye-sensitized solar cell. We can put the designs on the solar cells, maintaining the functions of solar cells. This is another example. This is organic photovoltaic cell, and as you see, this is quite flexible. So you can put this photovoltaic cell in various areas. NEDO is promoting the research and development and demonstration of various energy and environment-related technologies so that we can use in the world these technologies to solve the problems of energy and environment. These technologies are basically sold through the companies. The products are being introduced in the international market. This is the fifth time to have this exhibition in this World Future Energy Summit. And every time we are trying to let the people know, the business people and ordinary people as well, the products or the results, outcome of our research and development. Please contact us if you are interested in our technologies.